Hi YouTube, it's Olivia Nita and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. So I'm gonna just be doing my makeup. I already did my hair. We about to go out. Me and my cousin and a couple of her friends, we about to go out to this bar downtown. It's called Federales. Federales, that's what it's called. And we about to go have some drinks and turn up and hit the bell. Look it up on TikTok, then y'all understand the hitting the bell. But yeah, it's called Federales. So I'm gonna just do my makeup, y'all. If y'all not already subscribed to my channel, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, y'all. Make sure y'all go check out my giveaway. The rules and everything what you have to do is in the last video, the Houston vlog part 2. So go check that video out. Enter the giveaway on that video. And yeah. And don't forget to like and comment on this video.
Pour Sprite. I don't need no ice.
Trey Tracks, I think we got one.
It's trap season, bro.
All right, y'all. So this is the final look. Let me go in the restroom so y'all can see better. This is the final look. Okay. Period. Okay. Yeah, we finna go out. We finna have fun. We finna turn up. Cause anytime you go out with Annie, it's a good time. So stop playing. So, period, y'all. What y'all think? Yeah or nay? Yeah or nay? What y'all think about the outlook? I'm a little sweaty. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. This is just me getting ready. A quick little get ready with me, y'all, before I'm gonna go out with my friends. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, y'all. Enter the giveaway. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.